After 2016 Uri attack, India announced its boycott to the SAARC summit, alleging that Pakistan's involvement was there in Uri attack. And later on, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, and Bhutan also pulled out from this summit, and SAARC remained indefinite postponed. Hello and good morning, everyone. Today, my lecture topic is SAARC. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation (SAARC) was established in 1985 after the signing of SAARC Dhaka Charter. Friends, its member states are Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. Some observing members are Australia, USA, China, South Korea, Mauritius, and some other countries. Friends, SAARC comprise 3% of world land, 5.2% of world economy, and 22% of world population. SAARC is based on five principles of sovereign equality, territorial integrity, political independence, non-interference of the internal affairs from the member country, and the last is mutual benefits. If we talk about the area of cooperation of SAARC, first, in agriculture and the rural development. Second, human resource development and tourism. Third, education, science and technology development. Fourth, transport, energy, as well as economic trade development. Friends, now let's talk what are the objective of SAARC. First, welfare of the people of SAARC member countries as well as to improve the lifestyle. Second, to contribute in the economic, trade, and science and technology field. Third, to improve mutual understanding and mutual trust on some internal issues of the SAARC member countries. Fourth, to increase the cooperation on international forum. Friends, now let's talk what are the significance of SAARC for India. First, it promotes the India's first neighborhood policy. Second, it is also important for India to tackle the China's influence in that region of the Indian subcontinent. Third, it maintains the peace in the Indian subcontinent region. And fourth, it also helps India to showcase the leadership from this SAARC organization to the internationally. Friends, now let's talk what are the challenges for SAARC. First is Indo-Pak conflict. Why? Because of this, the SAARC summits have been postponed. Second, low frequency of meetings. The last meeting was held in 2016 and after that no meeting was there. Third, some other problems like illiteracy, unemployment, poverty, natural disasters, and some other issues that happen in the Indian subcontinent. Friends, in my conclusion as a way forward, as we know, the China has increased the influence on the Indian neighboring countries, and India need to grow the SAARC meetings, and India need to talk more to the other countries and solve the bilateral issues, because all the SAARC member countries have same cultural, historical, linguistic, religious as well as people to people ties connection, and that define the South Asian nation. Thank you.